Hey everyone, it's Art with Strategic Systems. Hope everybody's doing well today. What I'm going to show today is Personal Paper Document Manager from Ricoh. And one of the features that I use on a daily basis is I use the redaction process. So what that means with redaction is that we can redact an area or we can redact some text on the screen. So what I'll first go to is where, as you can see up here, we have our home, and underneath our home is our redact button. When we select the redact button, we'll see mark redaction, which I'll click, and then I'll move my mouse, and you'll see my mouse will actually turn into a plus sign or a crosshairs. So what I want to do right now is I want to remove an area of this document. So I want to remove lease of copiers. So I'm going to hold down the my left mouse button. I'm going to drag to make a box. I'm going to let go, and as you'll see, we have a red box. That indicates our redaction is there. If we move out inside the box, you'll see that the color turns black. So we know that we're going to cover it up with actually black space. I'll move back up top and I'll go to redact. I'll select apply redaction. It will say, yes, do you want to permanently delete? We say okay. It's going to say, do you want to remove any elements, which would be any metadata or links? We're going to say okay. We're going to then say okay again, because we've changed that document, and as we'll see now, that area has redaction on it. I also want to go in, as you notice, if I hold my mouse over here at number 6, it moves to just the I cursor. With the I cursor, I can take out certain text or the entire line by holding the left mouse button, dragging it, and highlighting the entire area. When I release, we'll see it's highlighted. If I hold it over, it's black. If I go to redaction, we'll go to apply, and now we'll hit apply redaction process. We'll go through the same OKs that we want to remove everything. Remove. Okay. Now we've just redacted that portion of it. So similar to where we can go in, we can redact this email address. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to redact, apply redaction, say okay, 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 and we're done. And that's how simple it is to redact on these the redaction process of Personal Paper Document Manager by Ricoh. We can also take those redactions and we can change the color, so they could go from black to red to white, whatever color you'd like to have. When you're done with the document, you go File, you do a Save As, and then save that document, and we've now created our redacted document that you can send to others. And that's about it. On our next issue, we will go over highlighting and adding text and typing on a document. And thank you very much for coming to see this.